USA, Australia, and Japan to jointly develop military drone. The United States and Australia have agreed to join Japan in the development of next-generation unmanned aircraft, focusing their efforts on joint strike aircraft. U.S. President Joe Biden and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese issued a joint press release after meeting at the White House, signaling their intention to deepen the integration of their defense industries and, in particular, their intention to explore trilateral cooperation with Japan on unmanned aerial systems. Our cooperation aims to enhance interoperability and accelerate technology transfer in the rapidly emerging field of collaborative combat aircraft and autonomy. We also reaffirm our commitment to bilateral cooperation on joint combat aircraft. Our cooperation will enhance interoperability and accelerate technology transfer in the rapidly emerging field of unmanned aerial systems, the statement added, presumably referring to the Loyal Wingman project that U.S. aerospace giant Boeing is developing in Australia at the request of the Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF, resulting in the MQ-28 Ghost Bat unmanned combat aircraft. A Japanese official told Nikkei Asia, Japan has technology in artificial intelligence and robotics that can help improve these capabilities. The U.S. and Japan are already working together on unmanned systems. In December, Washington and Tokyo issued a joint statement saying they would conduct joint research, development, testing, and evaluation of autonomous systems capabilities. These unmanned aircraft will be a key part of the air dominance systems under development and will complement the future sixth-generation fighter aircraft under development. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.